Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So here we need to differentiate the following equation by using the chain rule. And we need to actually observe the equation carefully to notice what kind of function it is. So the fact that we have a function here to the power of another term classifies it as a method that can be solved by using the chain rule. And that is by setting this inside term to u. So let's have a go. Let's let this entire part of the equation equal u. So let me write that there. Let this one be u. So we can say let u equal, now I already wrote it anyway, 2x cubed minus 5x. And the key idea really is to then notice that since this entire part is u, this is the same as y equals u to the power of 5. And finally, all we have to really do is simply differentiate both these equations and then multiply them together. It's that easy. So then we can say finally, we can say that dy dx of our final solution is going to be the derivative of this function. So this would be 5u to the power of 4 times, and then we differentiated the u equation up here. So we do both. Differentiate u, we get 2x cubed minus 5x. This becomes 6x to the power of 2, so using the power rule, minus 5. And now we just attach them all together. So what is u again? Well, u was 2x cubed minus 5x. So just plug it back in. So we should get 5 times 2x cubed minus 5x all to the power of 4 times 6x squared minus 5. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do.